it's a Tastemaker. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you guys like this video enough today to want to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you do have your post notification bell turned on. That way you're notified every time that I upload a new hair tutorial. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So today I will be reviewing a 360 unit that I received from BINF Hair. This is a 24-inch unit. It has lace that goes around the entire perimeter of the wig, so that allows you to put your hair up into styles like a updo, a ponytail, or a nice top-up bun like I have today. I will be showing you guys from start to finish how I apply the wig, how I pluck the wig. I will also be showing you guys today's hair tutorial, which is just a top-up bun with hair jewels throughout, and it also has the two braids here in the center. I feel like the braids in the center just add like a little extra character to it, so that it's not just a plain like bun going up. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's hair tutorial. What's it there? What's it? I look naked. Hold on. You guys, I am back. I don't like how I look today. I don't know why I feel ugly. But whatever. So today I'm going to be reviewing some hair from BINF Hair. Yes, honey. Okay, so today we have a 360 lace wig, and it is a curly unit. I am excited about it. I told you guys I'm gonna be reviewing a lot of curly hair, and I have so much more to come, so just get ready. So the wig did come inside of this bag. It's a black plastic bag, and then this is the box that it came in. And like I said, it is a 360 unit, so it has lace all the way around, so you guys can see. So this part, this is the front part of the wig, and this is the lace. This is the side, and basically like the back part, you see the adjustable strap right there. So boom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the hairline. This is what it's looking like. It's a little bit fuller than what I would like, so I'm definitely going to be plucking this. Of course, that's off top. Oh, it's nice and snug so far, so I do like that. Girl, this hairline, y'all trying to put me to work, honey. They trying to put me to work today. I didn't want to come into work today. I just wanted to put a little wig on real quick. They want me to work, honey. Okay, so this is the hairline. So far, that's the only con for me right now. I really like this hair. This hair is super soft. Oh, it's sexy. Oh, it's sexy. This hair is sexy. Oh, talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Okay. So boom, pulling all the hair up front. So this is what the hair texture, the texture of this hair is so freaking bomb. Okay, that's what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead, pluck this hairline, bleach the knots. I'm also gonna need to tone it as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna go do all of that, and I will be back.
baby, yeah. tonight. Girl, if it's alright, let's go somewhere and get it on tonight. Let's go somewhere. You shouldn't let it on.
Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to, while your hair is wet, you just want to start parting your wig. So I parted mine down the center, or at least what looks to be the center to me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put 2 braids right here. They're going to be 2 braids side by side right in the center. And I want them to be like kind of small. I don't want them to be like really big. So I'm just going to part one. So I'm going to part one and then I'm going to braid this first section. So you guys can't even see. So this is how small this section is. Okay, this is the middle part. Boom. Wow, wow. Okay, so that's what we're working with. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid this while it's wet. I like braiding hair wet rather than dry.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I could tell you right.
One thing that I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys and say is that this hair tangles up a lot. And I'm not a big fan of it because I don't like to constantly have to like detangle hair. It's like ridiculous. And you guys know I'ma always keep it a buck with you.
Put up in the bins, they all got us in. We all went to den, and then I had to pay. If you f***ing with this girl, then you better be paid. You know why? Take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to f with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head. 18 years, she got one of your kids, got you for 18 years. I know somebody paying child support for one of his kids. His baby mama car crib is bigger than his. You will see him on TV any given Sunday when the Super Bowl and
because I put some dye on this hair, I ended up messing up my knots so you can actually see my knots in certain places. I'm not a big fan of that, but I'm not finna do it over, so it just is what it is. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, is just wet, you know, your edges or whatever. Oh, I love them. So just do that. And then I'm running out of my mousse, you guys. Oh my God, I gotta go get some more. I'm gonna probably go get some more later on today. So I'm just gonna start creating some baby hairs on here.
She was supposed to buy your shorty Tyco with your money. She went to the doctor, got lipo with your money. She walk around looking like Michael with your money. Shoulda got that insured Geico for your money. If you ain't no punk, holla, we want prenup. We want prenup. Yeah, it's something that you need to have. Cause when she leave, she gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head. Now I ain't saying you a gold digger, you got knees. You don't wanna do the smoke, but he can't buy. You go out to eat, he can't pay, y'all can't leave. His dishes in the back, you gotta roll up your sleeves. But while y'all washing, watch him. He gon' make it to a beans out of that Texan. He got that ambition, baby. Look at his eyes. This week he mopping floors, next week it's the fries. So stick by his side. I know his dudes ballin', and yeah, that's nice. And they gon' keep calling and trying, but you stay right, girl. And when he get on, he leave your for a white girl. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head. Let me hear that back.
Around, comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on. What goes around, comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on.
The way you live is so damn sneaky. Thought you had it going on, you flip me over easy. But now I tell you one last time, I'm out to get mine. I'm out to get mine.
I ain't going for it this time.
It will never be the same. No, no, baby.
We can't hook up, no second chance.
You had your chance to do right by me.
What goes around comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on. What goes around comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on. Goes around comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on. What goes around comes back around. Tonight I'm gonna get my swerve on.
See, the thing about you that caught my eye is the same thing that makes me change my mind. Kinda hard to explain, but girl, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See, this girl, she sorta looks just like you. She even smiles just the way you do. So innocent she seemed, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you, but you remind me of a girl that I was with. See, I'm different ever. I look at you, baby. She put me on. This is why I just can't get with you. Thought that she was the one for me, till I found out she was on her creep. Ooh, she was sexing everyone but me. This is why we could never be. No, 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 no. That I was with. See, I'm different. I look at you, believe all of the things she put me through. This is why I just can't get it. I know, yeah.
So let me give you guys the pros and the cons to this hair. This is probably the first time in a long time where I've had hair that was semi-problematic or seeming to be a little bit problematic. And the main con that I have with this hair is just the fact that it tangles. Now, curly hair is meant to tangle, but I'm talking about when it was wet and I was like combing and brushing it out, like my hair was tangling. And I'm like, it was like no matter how much like I was brushing, like it was still parts of my hair that was like tangled. And I'm just like, bro, what is going on with this hair? Like I know how to detangle hair, but it's just, so that's like the main thing that's been like an issue with me, is just like how much it tangles. And even now, like, you know, it's just a lot of tangling. I don't like my hair to be all tangled. And then also I feel like the pretty curl pattern that was in the hair, like before I wet it, I knew that the curl pattern wouldn't be like exactly like that after I put water on it, but I was just really hoping that it was just like at least semi-similar to that. But you know, when this hair dries, you know, I mean, it's not bad, don't get me wrong, of course it's not bad, but it's just like not what I wanted. I don't really know yet how I'm gonna feel about it, because if it's brand new and it's already giving me a little bit of a problem, it's concerning. It's definitely something that raises a concern to me. It doesn't mean that the hair itself is bad, it's just that it has issues with, you know, tangling. And that makes me concerned, because if it's tangling while it's wet, I can only imagine what it'll do while it's dry. And then on top of that, it just makes me feel like, okay, the hair is gonna mat up on me, it's going to tangle, which is gonna cause a lot of shedding. And this wig, even though it's curly, it's really not all that thick. So if the hair is shedding out a lot, then, you know, you're just gonna get a thin, your wig's gonna be super thin, like, and that's just not, that's not what we going for. Oh, the other con was that the hairline was like super thick. Like I had to pluck it to get it like, you know, reasonable. I still feel like I could have plucked it a little bit more, but it's okay for, you know, what I was trying to do today. So that was pretty much it. Other than that, I do like this hair, but the tangling and all that stuff, sis, Y'all know I don't like stuff like that.
Was fresh, yo, when she was underground, original, pure, untapped, but a down sister. Oh, I tell you, I miss her. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Set the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Come to this, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. You out, yo, we gotta be the short shot. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Set the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. Come to this, y'all.
Okay guys, so this is officially the finished look. So what I went and did was I just pretty much just put these little things like all throughout my hair. So I feel like this is also a great hairstyle for the summertime. Like I will wear this with like a bikini or something like that, which I'm thinking about doing really soon. I will be heading out to the beach real soon. But yeah, I feel like this is great for like a beach day, you know, if you just want your hair to be like up and out of the way. Because a lot of times during the summer, like all of us, like we're hot. Like I don't want to have, like I want to have curly hair. Like I like how it looks sexy. Everybody loves curly hair, but I also don't want to be super hot with it. So I feel like a hairstyle like this is very simple. It's like a cool way to like, you know, spruce up your wig or whatever. Cause you could definitely just do like a basic like slicked, you know, little ponytail and just have your hair down curly. But you see like what I mean? Like by the root, like the root is like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the root is like kind of matty. Like all up in here. I don't know, like right here. You see that? Like that's all tangled up hair. And I don't like that. So yeah, I really don't like how much this hair is just like tangly like that. I just don't understand. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below and I will join the conversation later. I want to thank all of you guys for watching today's tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up, letting me know you guys like this video. That way I know to do more videos like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really liked today's tutorial and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!